Okay, we are on the last exercise of the week. This is going to be a simple pattern tile. This is very similar to what we did with Photoshop with patterns. So let me just show you what I'm expecting you to make. So you're going to be making something similar to this. Create a motif, and then we're going to create a pattern with that motif repeating, and you're going to change your colors for 3 different samples. So let's just get started. I'm going to close all of those here, and we're going to open a new file. And let's close that. These are our swatches. Let's see, we can put them over here. Okay, so we're going to start with, let's say we can create our own image. This time I'm gonna have a fill. And let's see. Okay, I'm gonna improvise in here. Let's select a rectangle. I don't like that fill, so I'm just gonna change that to, okay, let's do a pink. Maybe we can do a children's clothing, but I'm gonna select no stroke for this so that we only have that color here, okay? Now for the inside of this, we can select maybe our polygon tool, or we can also go to our symbol sprayer. So, okay, we can go to our symbol sprayer. Our symbols are not showing, so we're gonna have to get them. Okay, and we can go find something fun. Let's see, logo elements. Let's see what we got here. Oh, okay, so let's try some patterns here. I'm gonna select this one. Okay, we're gonna have to make this a little bit smaller. I'm gonna make a star. And for the star, I'm gonna change the fill to maybe a green color. And then we're gonna have a purple stroke. Okay, so let's do that. And what else can we do? Let's use this symbol here. I'm gonna go to symbol sprayer, and we're gonna use this symbol. Okay. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. So what we can do now is when we select everything, you see your swatches here. So what I can do is I can just drag this into my swatches, and it's going to appear right here. Now, if I want to make a rectangular shape, and I select this as my fill, oops. So let's make a rectangle, and I'm going to select the fill. It's going to fill that in, okay? So now we can just copy and paste this 3 times. And what we are gonna do is change the colors. So let's just change this one, edit colors. Okay, so we can just select some color combination like this. Or like this. And then we'll do the same thing here. Okay, we can also change these colors a little bit. Okay. And then on our layers, we can select another layer, bring this down here. We create another layer below all of these, and then we're going to make a rectangle. Of course, currently it's filled with this, but we're going to select a different fill for it. So let's say we do this one to have a background, if you want to have a background. And now we have 3 different colorways. So I want you guys to just write that this is your motif. And these are your different colors. 3 colorways. Okay. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and save this. This is exercise 19, simple pattern tile. And done.